Perfect. So once again, welcome to the September session. This session for Retail Tug, we actually have a very special group with us. We're bringing in the Viz Sukrema show. So very excited to have them alongside us this month. We've got a really exciting setup presentation here for you all. So quick introduction on this slide. This is actually going to be a competition user group. So we're going to get an image of a visualization in Tableau to try and recreate. We'll take our time and attempt to recreate that visualization as quick as we can. And we do have prizes for the winners there. So I won't go any further into the details. I'll leave it to the experts, but we are very excited to welcome them in today. So with that, I will stop sharing my screen and hand it over to you all.
So, hello and good morning and good evening, everyone. It's just past midnight here in Japan, but we are so excited for this event that we can't feel sleepy at all. So, thank you all so much for joining us for VizTS VizTS show from around the world today. I'd also like to give a huge thank you to the hosts of Retail TUG for this wonderful opportunity. So I'm Chiaki, I'm a Tableau visionary and Tableau ambassador. And since 2023, I've been a host for the JapanTUG and VizTS. Now, I'd like to introduce the members of the VizTS team. First, Yusuke-san, can you introduce yourself?
Good evening, everyone. I'm Yusuke. I began using Tableau around 2080 and have been a coach for work at Wednesday since last year. I hope you all have a great time. Enjoy.
Thank you. Next, Yusuke-san, please. Yuta-san, Sakapi-san.
Okay. Hello, I'm Yuta Sakai. Yeah, I'm Tableau visionary and Tableau ambassador for 2025. Also, Matt Blake, thank you for inviting us today. I'm thrilled to be here. And I hope you all enjoy this event. Let's have a great time together. Thank you.
Thank you. And now, Shunta-san, please.
Hi there, I'm Shunta. I'm BI engineer at a Japanese telecommunication company, and I use Tableau for about 8 years. I'm excited to be part of this event today and to share a little something with you. Let's have fun together. Thank you.
Okay, and Katie hasn't come yet. Okay, so although they can't be us today, I'd also like to mention the names of 3 other hosts who work with us: Chasoso, Hideaki Yamamoto, Tomoki Goda, and Hideaki Shihara. Now, to make sure this event runs smoothly, we have a few things we'd like to prepare in advance. So if you haven't yet, please use the links that will be shared in the chat. So first, please join the Tableau community Slack. So have you joined the Tableau community Slack yet? Please join using the link sent in the chat. Thank you, Yuta-san. So after joining, please check out the random channel for the VizTS thread posted by Yusuke-san. So, and don't worry about the language. This workspace has a built-in translation feature, so feel free to post in whatever language you are most comfortable with. And second, please download the data. The data we'll be using for today's challenge is the sample superstore dataset. So please download it from the Google Drive link that was shared with you in the chat too. So, and also please have Tableau Desktop or Tableau Desktop Public Edition open and ready. So while you are getting ready, please allow me to explain what VizTS is. It's a very unique content, and we want you to have fun with it after understanding our passion. Okay, so What is this show, this VizTS show? This is a very, very simple competition. So we are going to show you a viz without any pills, no pills, just the viz images. So you are going to watch the viz very carefully, imagine how to build it, and then reproduce it on your Tableau desktop. The fastest person who can accurately reproduce it wins. So it's very, very simple. This is a speed contest. So it's, So if you've heard about competitions, you might all be familiar with IronBiz in Tableau conference. It's the most popular competition within the Tableau community. Compared to IronBiz, the VizTS show is purely a speed contest. So if you imagine IronBiz as a kind of figure skating, there's storytelling and an artistic part. And obviously, there's no single correct answer. Everybody creates a viz from the same theme, resulting in a variety of vizes in IronBiz. But the VizTS show is very, very simple. There's one viz provided, and everyone reproduces it. The competition is about speed and accuracy, so this is different from the most popular competition. We hold VizTS online every 3 months. Since it started in 2020, VizTS has been really popular as a place to learn and improve Tableau skills. And recently, it's also being hosted at Analytics TUG and Canada TUG. So far, over 4,000 people have joined. One of them is Ojo. Thank you. And why are we creating this VizTS show? If you want to create something in Tableau and you see the pills, then it's very easy to understand how to create it. For example, if you see category and subcategory in the columns and cells in the rows, you can easily copy and create this chart. But you can't always do that. What if you don't have permission to download the data? Or what if you see a chart created by another tool like Power BI, Looker? So even AI is making it easier to create charts, but you might want to recreate it in Tableau. So in these situations, you need to be able to imagine how to build that chart within Tableau. So we believe this is a very, very important skill. And if we practice creating a viz without relying on download one, you can speed up your daily analytics or work. So if you can imagine how to build a viz without pills, you'll see that viz is more than just a simple chart. For instance, bubble chart isn't just a collection of bubbles. It tells a story. So understanding the meaning behind the layout helps you grasp what the data visualization is expressing and what story is conveying. So this practice also helps you understand how to create artistic vizes, even if they are made from just a single sheet. By understanding the underlying structure, like how rows, columns, and X and Y positioning are used. So you can comprehend the meaning of a viz and reproduce it immediately. So you can polish your skills if you understand the components of a viz. You'll speed up your operation time, improve your expression variety, and learn the best combination of creative attributes and data. So that's why we built this content, and I hope you all enjoy this VizTS show. Thank you. So, okay, Has everyone finished preparing to join Slack and download and data into Tableau desktop? Okay, now let's go over the rules for today's challenge. So for each challenge, the presenter will show you a Viz image. You will have 10 minutes to reproduce that Viz. When you are done, please post an image of your reproduced Viz in the VizTS thread within the random channel on the Tableau community Slack. So if you think you've fully recreated it, let's add tabutta to your post. So tabutta is a made-up word. It's meaning I was able to create it in Tableau. And if you've only partially recreated it, please write partially tabutta. It's okay. So we'd love to see it. And after this event, when sharing on X, LinkedIn, or Blue Sky, or etc., don't forget to include the hashtag VizTS, VizTS. Most importantly, rule is have fun. Please have fun. Okay. And now it's time to start today's challenge. So first challenge is presenter is Yusuke-san. Please share your screen and explain the first challenge.
Okay. And Katie has just joined us.
Oh,
Hello,
Katie.
everyone. Sorry for being late. I hope you all enjoy the purely Japanese original content.
Thank you, everyone, for joining and running this. Those who are attending and participating, type a 1 in the chat if you're ready, or else we can give you an additional 2-3 minutes before the Viz show starts. Once you do, it's a timed event. Anyone who finishes first, you know the rules, publish it, getting done. There is swag to be won. We want you to have fun. Let us know. In the chat, type 1 if you're ready, or say yes. There is a pinned message which has links to the Slack. It has links to the data download that was shared earlier. Make use of that. If you have any challenges, let us know. We'll give you another 2-3 minutes before we get started. Thank you. I do see a couple of ones here. Good to go. Let's get this show on the road.
Okay. Okay, everyone, it's my turn now. Are you ready for the challenge number 1? No. Yes. The challenge 1, let's make good labels. The timer starts now. Let's enjoy challenge.
Very first, no explanation. Yeah, this game is you need just watch this carefully, and then so there is several not usual things like the position of labels. So be careful and watch carefully and recreate this one perfectly.
Yes. This is the key point. Position the sales labels at the top left, the base of each bar.
Someone is typing very loudly.
His typing speed very, very, very fast.
Yeah. Wow. So impressive. Yeah. So it seems like the first one is already very difficult. It seems like not very easy.
It looks like very simple, but it's a little bit difficult for challenge 1.
There is no warming up, right? everybody okay, or do you need some hint or tips, or we can provide you if you want. Looks like everyone is working so hard to
Yeah.
Let's wait for a minute. Yeah. Maybe we should provide some explanation after 5 minutes over.
Okay.
Yeah, very focused. Yeah, so impressive.
Okay. Here's your first hint. To position the label, think about how you can create a special placeholder just for them. A calculate field you can use to you can make a placeholder. That's just hint. Like this axis names. It's just a hint.
I think everyone is focusing on creating this, but let me explain what is Tabutta. Tabutta is kind of like it's very similar concept, like Google it. Everybody doing search, they call Google it. So we want to, so in Japanese, we call Google. It's like a verb, Japanese verb, and tabuta is a Japanese, like a Tableau stuff, and we build a Japanese verb. So this is tabuta is a like the tabuta means visualize data. We created a new word for this contest.
So Blake partially Tabutta.
Oh,
Great.
Great. And I sang Tabutta.
Yusuke-san, can you check it?
Yeah.
See.
She posted
Tabutta. Okay.
GIF.
Animation.
Animation. So this is VizTS participants are pretty busy, you know. They create videos and capturing and post content too. It's very busy.
Yeah.
Okay. Just 2 minutes left. Here is one final hint. To create the vertical space, think about using another calculated field. You know, what kind of value can create an empty row? Maybe a null value. You can use it.
Oh.
Null value.
Yeah. It's a little tricky.
Yeah. But very useful.
It's very a key point of this challenge using calculation.
Okay.
It seems 2 people have already Tabutta, but so Yusuke, could you check them?
Okay.
Have you already checked them?
Okay.
見てあげた方がいいんじゃない？多分。見なくていい？
Okay.
Complete.
Blake and I sang.
Yeah.
Blake and
So great.
completed. The people completely Tabutta. Completely Tabutta.
Completed.
Completed. Okay. Okay.
Great work, everyone.
Okay.
Good job. Great.
Okay, time up. Thank you for your hard work. And just first one is a little bit tricky. I
Yeah, it's not the easy one.
okay. Now and how to make it step by step. First, create a bar chart showing the sum of sales and place, region, columns, and category and subcategory rows. Color the bars by category and show the category field. First step, drag region to columns and category and subcategory to rows. Yeah. Second, measure names to the filter shelf and select only sales. Third, drag measure names to rows and measure values to columns. And drag category to color and also filters. The second step, position the sales labels at the top left bars of each bar. First step, create a new calculated field with the formula mean zero, like this, calculate field, name like label placeholder. And drag a new label placeholder field onto the measure value card and place it on above the sales field. And on the marks card, drag sales to the label shelf. Click on the label on the same marks card and apply the following settings. Alignment, horizontal left. And marks to label, min max, scope, table, the field, measure values. The options and check to allow labels to overlap other marks and the label minimum value. It's just almost completed, but the last tricks. Add some vertical space between the bars for readability. Create another new calculate field with the formula min null. Just null field. Give it a name like spacer. And right-click your spacer field and duplicate it 2 or 3 times, like this, and spacer 2, spacer 3. Every spacer make formula same, min null. And drag these duplicated spacer field onto measure values card. And then you can arrange them to create adjust vertical spacing between your bar charts, like sorry. And the spacer 3, like this. And to finish, right-click the measure name field on the rows and uncheck show header. It's completed. And that's why the best solution is to place the label above the bar. And a common way to do this by pressing enter to under new lines. But this method can break easy if you use the filter and the number of bars changes. The layers get destroyed. So this techniques use the layout stays clean and beautiful, even when you apply filters and the number of marks. Okay, that's all. Thank you, everyone, for my challenge.
Thank you, Yusuke-san. I had no idea I could put null in min.
Yeah, I've never seen no.
Yeah.
It works. Wow.
Yeah. So we are learning a lot of tips as we explore
Yeah.
new challenges.
Min 0 or min 1 is like a very
Yeah.
difficult, but min no is
No, min no is so new.
yeah. Wow.
Thank you.
Kind of hacking Tableau.
A little bit tricky, but very useful.
Wow. Why do you find this one? It's not what I don't know what the min no means. How do you find it?
I just find it to just this problem to break the labels. So I try to use an label placeholder like min 0, but min 0 into measure values also called duplicated labels. So there is field measure values. So I try to every pattern of measure. So I just found min null.
What? You did every measure?
Every measure pattern, like min 0, max 0,
Wow.
max.
We are very thankful to provide the tips because you have I think you spent so long time to find these tips. Wow.
Okay. Thank you again, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, Ski-san. So how was that, everybody? So the fun part of VizTS is that it looks simple to create, but it's not.
It's simple, it's not easy.
Okay, so let's move on to the next one.
May I ask, is it difficult? Is it more difficult than this one, or
more same?
Same.
Nothing the same.
Same.
Okay, Shunta-san, are you ready?
Yeah. So everybody is like in Japan, they are like a top Tableau users. So they think these are simple and easy, but yeah. Don't worry if you cannot have just learn the tips like a no, min no, or and also you can recreate after we provide the explanation. Then you can just doing step by step the same thing as you get it, and then you can learn some great tips from this VizTS.
Yeah. So if you take away one tip, we'll be satisfied.
Yusuke-san, please stop sharing screen.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Next, Shunta.
Yeah.
Wait, display correctly. Okay, now I will present challenge number 2.
Yay.
Let's start 10 minutes timer. Here we go.
Yay.
I will explain the requirements. First, at the title of the challenge, set the right axis range for your bump chart. First, as written in preparation, please filter the data. This is to prevent the final piece from having too many marks. There are main requirements. Create a bump chart that shows the sales ranking of each subcategory by month, each rank of sales by month. Please assign different colors to the circle mark based on category. Choose a color you like. I chose violet. Go to furniture. and green to technology. Next requirement is set the starting point of the vertical axis to the integer 1, not 0. Make sure that the circle mark for the first rank is not partially hidden. Oh, here's an example. Please make sure the vertical axis doesn't start at 0 like this. Here's another example. Please make sure the please make sure marks for the rank 1 must not be cut off. I think this requirement is somehow difficult. You don't need to make it exactly the same as the sample below. For example, it's fine not to display filters or color legend. And likewise, you don't need to worry about formatting such as axis titles or grid lines.
Like, very quick.
Oh, tabutta.
Oh,
I will check it. Oh,
So
axis started
Wow.
Mm.
Oh, free tabutta. Nice, good.
Wow,
Good job. Oh,
Good job.
good
Congratulations.
job. Very fast.
wow, very fast. Yeah.
Wow.
Very fast.
Great.
Only 4 minutes. Wow.
Mm.
Okay, about 4 minutes elapsed. I will share you some hints. Yeah. Among these requirements, the last two probably is trickiest. Yeah. Oh. The silent ambulance. Oh,
Okay.
To handle them effectively, it's essential to pay attention to data types. As you can see on the screen, integer field like quantity can't accept non-integer values for axis ranges like this. If you enter decimal number, error message occurs. In contrast, a float or decimal fields like profit ratio can accept decimal values in axis range field. This is a very big clue to solve this challenge.
Mhm. So, 俊太さん、another tablet has come.
Oh, another tablet.
Tessin-san.
Tessin.
Good check.
Oh, free, I think, free tablet. Oh, good job.
Mm.
Good job. Great. Great.
Everybody loves JapanTUG. It's a very, very fun story about JapanTUG. When I first saw this chart, not first time, second time, I asked my master, Dorich asked me create this chart, and then I can create it, but I'm not sure the name of this one. Then what is this chart name, KP? He asked, and then I'm thinking a lot, but I have no idea the name of this chart. So finally, I answered this spaghetti chart. It's all. No, it's not spaghetti chart. Solve this chart from we resolve spaghetti chart and create function, but I have no idea the name of this chart. So funny. So
Yeah, so funny.
Yeah.
maybe 10 years ago or something.
Mm,
Long time ago.
Yes. Spaghetti chat means so messy chat.
this is
Yeah. So that's
Yeah,
completely
spaghetti.
different.
Yeah. So usually they're like a subcategory line chart is so messy and we
Yeah.
call it spaghetti chart and we like spread it by bump chart. So yeah,
Mm.
it's the resolution.
Mhm.
I can create message by clicking this, right? Too many marks on bump chart.
Mm. Yeah, it's still a bit messy. But yeah.
Messy. So in this challenge, I filter the data
Mm.
to two categories to reduce the number of marks.
Yeah, there is many very insightful comment in the chat. We Fraser, we are always excited to show them to customers, but sadly they never really are. Oh my god. It's like we love this shirt, but it's not very like a common shirt for everyone.
Mm.
Oh, just 1 minute.
Very cool.
Yeah, we should tell this shirt. It's great. Everybody.
Feel free to post the partially covered.
Yeah. That's what posture commenter is also very
Partially
good.
covered. Oh, partially covered. Ai-san.
Is this posture?
Oh.
Partially? Is this partially?
Perfect.
Partially? Yeah.
Hmm.
I think fully covered.
Mm.
Good job.
Yeah, good job.
Congratulations.
Completed.
Partially? Fully covered.
Finish.
Finished.
Oh.
No.
Very well, everyone.
Okay, how was that? Was it difficult? Okay. Let's move on to the explanation. Okay, let's move on to the walkthrough. ね。ね。First, as described in the preparation section, let's filter the data. Filter category to furniture and technology, and filter order year of order date. Year of order date to 2025. Next, let's create the sales rank, which will form the basis of the bump chart. Drag subcategory to detail ですね。detail. Continuous month of order date. Continuous month of order date to column. And sum of sales to rows. Quick sum sales. Choose quick table calculation and rank. And set up the sales ranking. Then quick compute using and set it to compute along subcategory. With that, we've successfully built a sales rank. Okay. Now comes the highlight of this challenge. As I mentioned earlier, sales rank is integer. Sorry, I didn't mention. Sales rank is an integer field by default. Rank of sales is integer field. And integer field don't allow decimal values for axis ranges. This is what I mentioned earlier. To get around this, we'll use a calculation like this to convert the data type to float or decimal. Multiply like rank sales by 1.0, or use a float function. Once the data type is changed, we can set decimal values for the axis range. Right-click the axis, go to edit the axis, and set the start point, something like 0.5. Then reverse the axis and rename the axis title. And just like that, you have complete the axis related requirements. Now let's finish the AMP chart. Okay. Duplicate the sales rank on rows and change the mark this type to circle. Select circle. To color the marks by category, drag category to color. But since category is a dimension, this might changes the scope of the table calculation. Right? Like that. To avoid avoid that. Sorry. Okay. To avoid that, right-click the category. That change the change dimension to attribute. Attribute values are ignored by table calculations, so the rank calculation will remain unaffected. Okay. Of course, you can also get the same result by adjusting table adjusting the scope of table calculation, but it is I think it is quicker. Finally, create a dual axis and adjust the mark size, and now your chart meets all the requirements. How was that? That concludes my walkthroughs. Thank you so much for taking on this challenge. Okay.
Thank you, Shunta-san. So hints are often hidden within the capture. In this case, the fact that the axis is fixed, several other hint.
Say again, please.
So the axis is fixed. This pin, yeah.
This
hint.
pin. This is pin.
One of hint.
Oh, you are right.
That's
pin.
true.
Pin. This pin mark is one of his.
Yeah, it's not just diverse. So yeah. So be careful to watching to this, and then there is so many hints like pins or the numbers, or is it header or axis? This is a large hint of Tableau physics. So yeah. Okay, shall we go to the next one?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Next challenge is from.
Sorry, so sorry, Shunter, you skipped the how to duplicate the pill, but everybody know about that? Is everybody okay, comfortable for duplicating pills?
Let's duplicate the field. Drag the pill with pushing Control or Command key. Drag and drop the pill with pushing Control or Command key. Sorry, I skipped the explanation.
Yeah, this is very useful tips for creating this much faster, because they're, especially these types of table calculation, like a complex table calculation things. Maybe we should duplicate instead of like recreating table calculation again. Okay, thank you for explaining.
Okay, I will stop sharing screen.
Okay, the next one is Yuta-san.
Yuta-san.
Okay. Yeah, I'll share my screen. Yeah, are you tired? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
It's almost 1 p.m. 1 a.m. in
1 a.m.
Yeah, it's very midnight. We're very excited. I hope you enjoy this program. Okay. This is the last challenge, my challenge, and I'll start the timer. You can go ahead and get started.
Wow.
My challenge is the comment chart. So comment. Comment chart. I recommend. First requirement is create a scatter plot with profit on the vertical axis and total sales on the horizontal axis. And each plot point should represent subcategory by years of order date and filter to show only 2024 and 2025 data. And this is a very big point. Connect the 2024 and 2025 data points for the same subcategory like this, okay? And make 2025 data points larger than 2024 data points. Okay, this make this chart like comment, right? And set colors based on subcategory and display subcategory labels only on 2025 data point. And with label colors matching the mark colors. Okay. 頑張って。Go ahead. おい、食べた？おいしょ。
Wow.
Wow. Really?
Really?
Too fast.
I was hoping not to participate in this, but I did all of them.
Wow,
This one I
very
surprised myself that I could do it so fast. So I thought thank you.
On some tabutas, on Slack.
Blake
That's Blake and I-san testing.
Oh, very fast.
Very fast.
Wow.
And
Maybe the
Tessin
first time is
san.
most difficult.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. But very fun time. Very fun time.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah, everyone say tabuta.
everyone comes yeah.
Oh, great. Also, Blake, great job. And
Like a fever time.
Great. Fever time, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I-san tabuta. Tessin-san tabuta.
Wow.
Yeah.
So
Right.
we thought comment chart would be the hardest one. So we saved it for last, but it turns out that wasn't calculus.
Great.
So great.
So, oh, I love, you love comment chat. Yeah, I love comment chat too.
This bit looks like fireworks. So beautiful.
Oh, fireworks.
Fireworks.
Yeah, comment chat is very useful. So, this can, sorry. Comment chat lets you see both the correlation and the time progression at the same time. Yeah, it's very super useful.
Oh.
Hideaki-san.
Hideaki-san. Tabuta.
Hide-san.
Yeah, I'll check it. Oh, Hideaki-san, no tabuta. please check out label colors.
Labels.
Colors.
Oh, so
Yeah.
close.
It does not match to
Not much
color
chart.
mark.
Yuta, could you provide a hint for somebody who is still working?
Hint.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can build it with just only Tableau's default features, and you don't need any calculate field. And the key point is choosing the right mark type. So you need to use line mark type, okay? And also pay attention to how you use the size option on the marks card. So 2025 point is rather than bigger than 2024 point. So it shows that you need to use the year of the date for the size option, right? Yeah, that is a hint. If you need more hint, please ask me. Oh, but you get lollipops. Maybe if you choose mark type, line mark type, there are pass option in the right under the mark card. Maybe you need to use this option.
Yeah, there is a comment from Angela. I used comment by accident so many times, but when you need to, yeah, sometimes we, this VizTS show is like the first inspiration is like just like an accidental, like a tree barter, or we create the Christmas tree. Accidentally provide like a furniture. That is a fun part of Tableau as well. So
Yeah.
One minute. So this is the last one.
Yes.
Yeah, last one.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, if somebody partially Tabata, also very welcome to pause in the slide. Let's do, we're the 18 participants, so everybody feel free to share what you have made. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yay. Everyone, great job.
Great job. Thank you for your hard work.
Thank you. Okay, I'll start explanation to how to make it. Okay. Okay. First up, let's make a scatter plot. Okay, and drag profit to row shelf, and drag sales to column shelf. Okay, and then I grab subcategory to color mark on the mark card. Okay, we've got scatter plot showing profit and sales subcategories. And now let's split this by year of order date. Okay. Take order date. Take order date to the detail on mark card. Okay. Here we've got 4 points for each subcategories, right? And since we want to compare to 2024 and 2025, so we need to filter you need to use filter and drag and drop all the date to filter shelf and choose years and only check 2024 and 2025. Okay, we've got 2 points for each subcategories now. Okay, we want to connect to 2 dot with line. Okay, just change mark type to line. Yeah, we got almost like commit chart. Okay, but in this case, fortunately, Tableau connects the dots based on the year. But you can control it explicitly. So we can use pass option. So in this case, we drag drop to drag year of order date to pass options. We can set it explicitly. Okay. And next, to make 2025 point bigger than 2024 point. So we drag year of order date to size. And as Shun-san said last challenge, I drag and drop with Control key on Windows to size. Okay. So we can copy it instead of moving it. Okay. If you use Mac, command keys, pretty good. Okay, you've got that's your coin chart is done. So now let's add some labels. Okay, we want to show subcategory names on 2025 point. So subcategory, take the subcategory in label. Okay, and you want to show up only on the 2025 data points. Open the label menu and select line ends. And we check only end of line. So we can get a label on the 2025 point only. All right. And finally, let's take the label colors in the colors and in the label menu and open the font section. And we need to select match mark colors. So it can it makes the label colors match the marks. So it's clear which label belongs to which dot, even in a crowded chart like this. Okay. Okay, that's all. You've made comic chart. Everyone, great job. Thank you. Oh, many person. Another tablet has come. Oh, great. No, thank you. Suda. Wow, thank you. Great job. Good job. Yeah, I'm happy that here are many tablet.
Yeah, many tablet in the Slack as well. In Slack.
For those of us who couldn't get it or were close, I'm glad that you could learn something. Thank you, VizTS team. This has always been one of my game shows. This is the third time I'm participating. Although this time I'm not contesting for any swag, we want to give it away. Blake, do you have the names of those who finished in time? I know.
I don't have a list, but we can certainly get one pulled together here. We've got the history in the Slack thread here, and then we can skim through the Bevy chat as well.
Sounds good. Is there anything else, Chiaki, Katie, you wanted to share with us before we close the event out?
Yes. So I'll share my screen again.
Okay.
So, okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you all for your hard work today. Did you have fun? So hard. So
Fun.
yeah.
Yeah, there is many great comments.
Yeah, thank you. So I hope you all enjoyed it. So normally you might not be conscious of speed when creating charts, but as I mentioned at the beginning, so being able to quickly create what you and think about allows you to perform analysis without stopping your train of thought. So even if you weren't able to complete it today, don't worry. So you'll gain skill through consistent practice. So just like muscle training. So please try the VizTS playlist on the JapanTUG YouTube channel to challenge yourselves. So lastly, let me introduce you to JapanTUG. So JapanTUG holds Japan's largest offline events once a year. It's scheduled for this December, and we have a venue that can accommodate about 500 people. It's so huge. So VizTS will be held there as well. In addition to practical Viz challenges like today's, very unique Viz appears every year. So can you believe that this is like a Christmas tree, a road with a rising sun, and even a Christmas cake with a moving snowman, were all created from the sample superstore. So in the past, we even create a dragon on the stage with traditional Japanese art. So, and yes, this was also made in just 10 minutes. So the champion who created the dragon was today's presenter, Shunta-san. So we believe that the ability to turn free form ideas into reality is a huge appeal of Tableau, in addition to it being a data analyst tool. So JapanTUG also has a project called VizSpace, where we print Tableau art onto canvas and exhibit it. The canvas in my background are something I made for the previous VizSpace event. So the theme for this photo was home and journey. So today's presenter, Yusuke-san, also exhibited this about his home prefecture, Tokushima. And there's also a meetup called Uma Uma. So it's a very unique meetup. The Japanese word umai has several meanings. It can mean skillful, like making something well, or delicious when you eat tasty food, both umai. So the concept of this meetup is to skillfully create food-themed art pieces in Tableau and then go out to eat delicious food like sushi. So I feel Tableau community offers amazing value once you are in it, but taking that first step can be difficult for some people. So that VizSpace, Uma Uma Meetup, and this VizTS, so we desire to have people experience the Tableau community from various angles has led to these unique initiatives. So now after seeing these various of artistic visits, I expect you're all feeling inspired to create some yourself, right? So finally, we have a gift for you, an art viz challenge. Please try to create it yourselves. So now the World Expo is going on in Osaka now. The theme is designing a future society for our lives. It's about celebrating life and creating a healthier, happier, and more sustainable future. So and so this this funny red and blue character is the mascot for the expo. Its name is Myaku Myaku. It represents the flow of life. Kind of weird, but actually pretty cute. So let's draw Myaku Myaku by using a Tableau. So there are many ways to draw it. So you can use map layers, a dual axis, or layer charts on the dashboard. Anything else? So use your imagination to create Myaku Myaku, and please post it on Slack, X, LinkedIn, or Blue Sky, etc. with hashtag VizTS and Tabuta. Partially Tabuta is of course also okay. Okay. So and the challenges introduced today have been published on Tableau Public. So please check them out for the solutions. So that's all. Thank you all so much for this wonderful opportunity today. I'm so happy that we are able to hold this event, which was made possible by Ojo reaching out to us at TC. So thank you. Finally, do any of our Japanese team members have a comment?
Yeah, so does anyone realize that I have Myaku Myaku in my room?
So cute.
This one. Yeah, I know the final one is this one, so I put this one in here and the camera, yeah. Watching this one in whole 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So yeah, I'm very excited to see Myaku Myaku in Tableau.
Yeah, please share. Okay, so
Yeah,
lastly,
also, yeah, Chiaki share their many unique Japanese content. So if you come to Japan, please let us know. Maybe you might want to try it there. I think this is a very good opportunity to come and eat Japanese nice food and also learn business. Yeah, and also Biz space is also very exciting. So the Biz in cafe, and also we have a so great cafes in Japan. Yeah, and I think YouTube has like it's in Japanese, but they provide like a subscription, subtitles in English. So not sure it's working very well, but if you interested, please click on the subtitles, and I think it's show the like, kind of like a point or the what are we doing, and also the VizTS is very simple rules like recreating this, so I think you can get the like a content. So yeah, please, if you're interested, please see the YouTube as well. And if you have any questions, please let us know.
Thank you. It was not easy for the team. It's probably midnight, past midnight now.
Okay.
We at Retail Tug wanted to do something which is APAC friendly. I don't know whether this was really a APAC friendly time, but maybe next time we'll push it up a little bit more. The collaboration that you talked about, Tableau conference is coming up. I can't believe it's already more than 6 months that we have gone past it. What started as a conversation there between us, and thank you, Katie Chiaki, for introducing us to the rest of the team. We wanted to do this. I have always had fun participating in VizTS, and our Retail Tug is relatively younger. We started in October last year, so we have not completed a year yet, but we have finished 6, 7 sessions already, and we are just starting off. We will need your support and anyone who is listening to this even after to make this into a thriving community where we can learn, grow, collaborate, and so much more aligned to how the community is, the data fam is. Any final words from Blake? I'm done yapping. I think we are pretty much at the end of this. I had so much fun. The one thought that I had was today, the 3 challenges, I participated in them, but I didn't want to shout out Tabuta because I finished in nick of time. The first one was the trickiest with the min null.
Minnu.
Yeah, first one is very
Sorry.
difficult.
Yes, it's very tricky.
And the comic chart was because I make comic charts, I practice. Just as Matt was mentioning, thanks to all the Makeover Mondays we have done, it was not hard. It was easy. So I was like, am I right? Have I completed it really, or am I in disbelief? Because the first one was fairly difficult for me. Go ahead, Blake. All yours.
Perfect. Yeah, just once again to repeat what Ocho said, thank you all of our co-hosts from VizTS. It's been one of my favorite sessions, so very happy to have you all, and I hope everybody else here in attendance enjoyed this sort of approach to a Tableau user group. I think this is a lot of fun, and glad we could do something a little bit different this month. That being said, next month we'll actually be back to something a little bit more traditional. So if you're typically interested in our general retail presentations, you won't want to miss next month. We're meeting Thursday, November 20th. That'll be at 11 a.m. Central. So a little bit close to the same time as this. It would be 1 hour later. So 1 a.m. in Japan. If you are interested in staying up, we'd love to have you. But if you aren't there, I totally understand why. But yes, the QR code on the left is what you could scan. It'll take you to the RSVP for our upcoming meet. So thank you all for joining us today. And with that said, that's all that we have. So enjoy the rest of your day and see you next month.